Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing a panel on your form and giving it a clear name because you will reference it in code. Once added, set dock or size so layout behaves predictably. Make sure back color and border style aid visibility. If content may overflow, enable auto scroll. Next, prepare the child controls or data objects you will host inside the panel. This preparation avoids mid-process refactoring and makes programmatic population straightforward. Now you populate the panel by creating controls in code and adding them to panel. Controls. This lets you generate UI dynamically based on data. For placement, either set left/top/width/height explicitly, or use a flow layout panel or table layout panel inside the panel to manage spacing. Make sure to attach event handlers so each control reacts to user input, and keep references if you need to update or remove items later. Finish by ensuring the panel updates correctly. Call panel. Invalidate or panel. Refresh after adding or removing controls so drawing occurs immediately. Make sure layout adapts to resizing by setting anchor or dock or by handling form. Resize to recompute positions. If something goes wrong, verify control. Parent is the panel and check Z-order or enabled and visible flags. Also confirm auto scroll is on if items are outside the view. These steps resolve most display issues and keep the UI responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.